So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use coupons on Temu. So first of all, download the app through your app store. After that, you can go to the place it's been installed, open it up. You will need to log in using your email and password information. After that, you can see home, categories, you, shopping cart. You can see the search in the top part of the page and go to search bar. But I suggest you can click on your shopping cart in order to use coupons. So through here, you can see the cart. You can select and deselect something. So through here, click on the checkout. After that, you can even add stuff to that. Just continue to checkout. And after that, you can see the address added on here, and make sure to put in the address so they have some information so you can even get to using coupons. So through here, you can see Apple Pay, your card. You can add a new card on here. You can see PayPal, shipping is free. You can donate with Temu, and you can see here the option apply coupon code. So let's click on that. Through here, you can see limit 1 coupon per purchase. Coupon cannot be applied to shipping fees, so it's empty. If you don't have any coupons that you can just click on and add them to there, you can just go ahead and type out a coupon code, and after that, click on the apply button to get a discount. So after that, you can receive some cheaper things by using coupons in Temu. So that's about it. Just go to your shopping cart, and after that, at checkout, you will see the coupon code. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.